alternative, guys. So today we are going to be baking a banana cake. I know it sounds amazing, but it has a lot of steps and a lot of ingredients. So first you need a baking pan, and then you need a cup of flour, and then you need another bowl, and then you need another bowl, and then you need baking powder, butter, and then sugar, melted butter, and some cut up bananas and salt. So those are the things you need. So first we need to preheat the oven to 170 degrees. So
for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, started.
Okay.
15 minutes, I guess.
So next we have to grease the pan, and I'm gonna be doing that while the oven is preheating.
Okay.
Start greasing. Let's see how it is. Yeah,
I need to do the sides.
yeah.
Yeah.
Few parts are left. You need to grease it really well, otherwise it will not cook. More butter needed. Allah, more butter needed.
More butter here. So much butter.
Nothing's there inside, no? It's okay. After 10 minutes, you can switch it off. No, it's okay. It's okay. Okay.
After greasing, we need to put this
Parchment
paper, and we need to just fit it inside this pan.
And I'm gonna grease it, and we're supposed to grease it again.
Again on the sides a little bit.
Wait, not only on the sides, you're supposed to grease it everywhere, down and up.
So much.
You're supposed to put so much water, otherwise it won't remove. It's been a long while since you have done a cooking video.
That's enough.
He's doing the sides.
Done.
Okay.
So now we've greased the butter. Next, we need to put the flour inside a bowl.
Use this bowl.
And then after that, we need to put some quarter salt,
Yeah.
Quarter
spoon.
Not
quarter
cup.
teaspoon.
Yeah.
So that should be enough.
Yeah.
Then now we're supposed to mix it all together.
No, then baking powder.
Oh,
You have to put
5 spoons of baking
5
powder.
teaspoons.
5 teaspoons.
Teaspoons.
So
Not 5 teaspoon, 1 1/4 teaspoon. Okay.
We have to put 1 1/4 teaspoons, but
This is
spoon
quarter,
is small.
quarter teaspoon.
yeah, quarter teaspoon. So this is the third one. And the fourth one. And the final one. Fifth one. And now you're supposed to mix it all together using a whisk.
Okay.
Okay, take a spoon and mix it. It's okay. Or you can use a
Now we have to mix
fully in between also, so that it gets mixed.
Okay, so I have to mash bananas.
Yes.
Now I'm gonna go start mashing up bananas so I can start this.
Good. Okay, while you are mashing bananas, let's see what you're going to do.
So now I am going to do, I'm going to crack an egg into the bowl and put a quarter cup of butter. So there is a
So much banana.
So next we need to put a quarter cup of butter, and now
Beat with a fork. Take a fork and you can beat with it.
Hang on, this is bananas.
Nicely. Just to fluff up.
That will be much more time.
it's going to be really hard.
Use both hands, na? Hold hand above. Let's see what Maya is doing.
I'm still mashing up these bananas.
Okay, that looks good.
And I am done.
Nicely fluff it, fluff it, fluff it. Nicely you have to beat it. It has to form a froth kind of, no?
Now I'm done with mashing up these bananas.
Okay, so now you will have to add the bananas, sugar to this.
So
The bananas.
this is a cup of sugar,
Mm.
and we need to add the bananas. First we add the bananas in. So
Now we have to add this cup of sugar.
Yes.
So there is goes a cup of sugar.
Nicely beat it up. It has to be completely beaten up. Let me see if we have vanilla, otherwise you can add cinnamon also. Do you want cinnamon or vanilla?
Vanilla. It's the best ever thing.
Okay, let me just see if I have vanilla. Yeah, I think it is there.
And we are done.
Okay, you just have to add 1 drop of this. No more
One
than-
teaspoon of vanilla.
One drop.
Yeah, it will be too much actually. So just a drop. Use a spoon or something and just use just a small, tiny, weeny drop. 1 or 2 drops. Yeah, it's coming.
You're scared.
Okay.
Now we have to mix all of this up again.
Yep.
Now we can add the flour. All mashed up.
Yes.
Okay, now we can add the flour in batches. First half flour you add, mix it up, then half of flour. Use both
Quickly,
hands.
quickly.
Hold the bowl and mix it. Yeah.
Wait.
Mix up all the flour. Okay, it should be nicely mixed. There should not be flour here and there, dry one. Okay, and I think we need to add some milk if required too. Let's see.
Now I'm putting the next flour batch.
Do not drop the spoon. Done.
Upside down.
We need some milk also because it's getting too thick, no?
Yes.
Okay, let me get. Hold this, Maya. Hold this while it's mixing. I'll get some milk, okay?
It's really getting
Yeah, it's getting very thick.
God. So this is.
You can use this milk.
This is going to be a battle. That's not ready yet.
Yeah.
You have to use some milk to lighten it up.
So we have some milk right here. There, milk.
And we need to mix it up again.
Nicely. In between also you have to mix. So that it fluffs.
It's a little smoother now.
Yeah. So this
Is it good enough or is it
This is
good?
a great batter consistency. So
Let's pour it.
now it's time to pour it. No waste. So there. Now let's pour it onto our baking tray. Be really careful. Do not drop it. Oh my god. It's heavy.
Use your hand or spoon or something to clear it.
Okay.
Now we need to get the rest of the batter out.
So the 35 minutes are over and let's see if it's done. Wow, looks amazing. So now we need to poke a hole and test if it's cooked or not. So if it sticks to the stick, it will it's not cooked. So now it's perfectly cooked because it's not stick. So yeah. So it's perfectly cooked. And that is how to bake a banana cake. So bye guys. Let's pull it out and then put it in the cooling rack for some time. Please do not do this. You can only do this until if you're a kid, do not do this. Only in parent supervision, please do this.
Cool. After cooling we will.
Yeah. After cooling, it will be done. So yeah. So we have finished baking the cake, and the cake is finished baking. Same thing. So now we're going to cut it in slices. Wow. It's
Thin slices.
there. So now this is the cake.
cakes.
Wow.
Amazing.
Milo also seems to be interested.
Want to try?
Yeah.
Nah.
Mm.
good.
Too good.
Milo.
They love it because banana. It's the most amazing thing ever. Best thing on the cooking playlist. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
We're having a banana cake with ice cream and watching our videos. Oh
Zoe and Milo
videos.
right over here.
Yeah. So this is how you need to have it with cake with ice cream. That is the best combination you can ever think of.
How is it?
Too good.